Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on CANFINHOMES. Our analyst maintains buy rating on CANFINHOMES with a price target of Rs 960. CANFINHOMES reported steady performance in Q1 led by better NIMs and lower OPEX growth. Overall asset quality outlook is expected to remain stable to positive. Company is positioned well ahead of the lower interest rate cycle. It is likely to deliver super return ratio metrics, superior growth, and its asset quality continues to be the best in class among its peers. We expect ROAs of over 2% for FY24 estimates and FY25 estimates, driving strong ROE of 18 to 20% for the respective years going ahead. An additional catalyst is equity fundraising. The stock has outperformed the broader indices in last 1 year and it currently trades at 2.5 times its FY24 estimated adjusted book value and 2.2 times its FY25 estimated adjusted book value. Next on radar is L&T Finance. Our analyst maintains buy rating on L&T Finance with a price target of Rs 155. Company's core retail business performance remains strong, capitalizing on strong macro driven by healthy retail asset growth, better margins and lower credit cost, which translated into ROE for the retail segment over 3% in Q1 of FY24 versus 2.5% in FY23. However, the wholesale book's performance continued to overshadow the overall performance. The company is looking to run down a majority of the wholesale book by the end of 24 estimates. Thus, the diminishing wholesale book will constrain net loan growth and ROE in FY24. However, from FY25, growth in retail franchisee would uplift loan growth and ROE. The stock has outperformed the broader indices in last 1 year and it currently trades at 1.4 times FY24 adjusted book value estimates and 1.2 times its FY25 adjusted book value estimates. Last we cover Larsen and Toubro. Our analyst reiterates buy rating on Larsen and Toubro given expectation of strong Q1 FY24 earnings and announcement of buyback and special dividend. We expect sales growth of 18% year-on-year driven by strong order book, also likely operating profit margin expansion and PAT growth of 29% would be led by lower commodity prices. The order inflow for Q1 FY24 has been healthy given strong tender pipeline. L&T would be announcing buyback and special dividend on July 25, which can act as near-term trigger for the stock. In the long term too, L&T remains at the forefront to reap benefits from strong order activity in infrastructure, heavy engineering and defense. The stock currently trades at 21 times FY25 estimated EPS. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.